Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Before I start, I have to apologize. I don't know if you hear it because my microphone's on this side. It's like a joke. My neighbor's getting their driveway done and I figured, okay, you know, I actually took off today. I had some things to do and videotaping is one of them. And of all days to get it done. Since 8 o'clock this morning, it's now 11:30 and the truck is non-stop. The noise, there's just some, I don't know what it is. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm gonna keep talking hopefully so that I can be over that noise. It's like a joke, it's a joke. Anyway, I hope you can hear me. If not, I guess this video is not gonna come up and I'll have to redo it. But today, I'm going to show you how I use my diffuser because you know, the reason I thought about this also, I mean, I know there's videos out there that are helpful, but when I go to the hairdresser, and it's been over the years, so it's been many different hairdressers, you know, when they blow dry my hair curly, I don't feel that they're using the diffuser the way that it should be used. Dad was the only place that they used it the way I would use it. You know, they're just moving it around constantly and touching my curls, and then I walk out with an embarrassment of a head. They're great hairstylists. It's just something with curly hair. I don't know. A lot of people just don't know how to dry curly hair. So I'm going to show you how I use my diffuser, because without my diffuser, I don't know what I would do. Like when we travel, everybody's like, "Oh, you don't need to pack your blow dryer because the hotels always have blow dryers." No, the hotels don't have diffusers. They should start putting diffusers in there for us curly girl hairs, no? Curly haired girls, but they don't. So I had to pack my big blow dryer, and that always takes up so much room because I need my diffuser. So anyway, yeah, I couldn't live without my diffuser. So I'm just gonna show you what I do with my diffuser and how I achieve my curls. I did recently purchase this new blow dryer. It is Revlon 1875 watts tourmaline iconic ceramic blow dryer. My other one is still working, but like the parts start, they last me a long time, I'm not gonna lie. My last one was Conair, I think. I don't know, I get a lot of use out of blow dryers, and then you know, like, all right, time to purchase a new one. So basically what I'm gonna do is, all I do is scoop up one side of my head just like that, and I put it close to my head, and you can really, like, depending on if you want really curly hair or you want loose curls. If you want really curly hair, just go as close to your head as you can. If you want more looser curls, you can kind of just do that. So I literally just sit there. Like, when I say literally, my husband laughs at me because I'm like, sometimes I'll just close my eyes and fall asleep. Like, there's not a lot of effort in drying curly hair, which is a great thing. So I do that side, then I do this side, and then I lift half the back and I do that up high so that I get the lift that I like, and then I do the bottom, and that's basically it. And you know, the important thing with the diffuser is, like, this is acting as fingers, but they're not your fingers that are gonna cause frizz, because you don't want to touch your hair when you're drying it. Like, as much as just don't even touch it. Never ever touch your hair, and don't move it around. Don't keep moving the diffuser around. Let those curls set, and as they dry, they're gonna set, and then that's what keeps the curls, the thick locks that you'll get, as opposed to like a bunch of separated curls, which causes frizz, right? So, oh my God, the noise stopped. The noise stopped after 3.5 hours. Should I start the video again? I hope you didn't hear it. Okay, so yeah, so basically that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna show you, I guess in fast motion, because this will be noisy. You don't wanna hear that. How I dry my hair, okay? So let's get to it. First, I'm gonna scoop it up before I even turn it on, because if I turn it on and then do this, it's blowing my hair, so I don't want that to happen. So I'm going to get that in there, and now I'm gonna turn it on. I have it on, I have hot, warm, and cool settings, so I leave it on warm, and I do put it on high, and I know a lot of people will say I should put it on low, but I don't have all day to dry my hair. So it works for me to put it on high. You could do low though if you have more time. Okay, here we go. So I kind of have that Princess Leia look, but it's not 100% dried. I'm gonna go back, but it's pretty much, I'm drying it like, I don't know, 75%. Still not touching it. The only reason I touched that is because I was sticking that curl in there, but going to the other side. Okay, again, it's not totally dry, but it's like, it's dry enough, it's almost crunchy, but not crunchy like we hate crunchy, just like it needs to be uncrunched with my fingers. Like this acts as like pulling up the curls without taking them apart where your fingers would do. So this is kind of like fingers, but your hair gets lifted, you know? So now that my hair is at the point of dryness that I can touch it, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna crunch it out and get the curls nice and soft and fluffy. Okay, so I just went back in and I crunched it with my hands to fluff it up a little, so I'm gonna keep going. If I feel like a wet spot still, like, you know, it's a little damp still, I'll just keep the diffuser there for a little longer to dry that spot. But I'm gonna continue to go in and fluff it out. Okay, so now my hair is fully dried. And what I was also doing is taking my fingers and kind of just lifting to make sure it's dry underneath as well. And the reason why, even though I'm now just like drying it with my hands, the reason why I don't take this off is because this allows the air also to distribute not so harshly. So I'll just show you, like, so I'm gonna put this on high heat and you'll see my hair and how it moves from the wind. Okay, definitely moved it up a little. Now if I take off the diffuser and I go right in with this, watch the difference. See how much more powerful that was? And that's what's gonna just like frizz my hair and make it all fly away and separate those curls. So this diffuser really was a great invention. I remember when diffusers started coming out, like a lot of you younger folks are like, what are you talking about? We had them forever, but no, we didn't. We didn't even have products for curly hair back when I was younger, so you guys are lucky. Yeah, so the diffuser, definitely my favorite, you know, way to, it's really the only way to dry curly hair. Not really. I mean, you know, I'm just not a fan of air drying my hair. My hair is so thick. Again, I mentioned in every video lately, but I have a little keratin left in my hair, but it is starting to come out. But it's starting to come out, but it's still curly. It's getting curlier every day, which I kind of like. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so air drying. So I'm not like, I don't know, it just, my hair naturally is so thick that it takes hours and hours for my hair to fully dry, and I am not a fan of the wet look. I don't like it. I just don't like it. I don't like wet looking curls. It's just not me. So that's why I do that, to make sure there's like, you can see my hair looks dry. It doesn't look wet at all. And that's why I personally love my diffuser, and yes, when I travel, this comes with me everywhere. And even if you have a blow dryer and you're like, well, I can't, it doesn't have a diffuser with it, but I don't need to buy a new blow dryer just to get a diffuser. They do have diffusers that attach to any blow dryer. I used to have one of those. It's huge and it just goes, it adjusts in the inside to any cover of a blow dryer. I mean, I'm sure they still sell them because I've had them. I had one of those a long time ago. So if you have curls and you don't have one of these, what are you waiting for? You gotta get a diffuser. It will definitely dry your curls much nicer. I also do a really quick spritz of hairspray because I feel like that really does lock it in. They also do have a cooling spot, and I do use that when it's like, I feel like it's a humid day out. I'll press that button, I'll put it on cold and I'll press that button and I'll kind of go all over. So I will use that too. But this is diffuser talk, so anyway, hope you have a great day. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't. Please share my video with other curly head friends or anybody who's just interested, because again, I do makeup reviews on Tuesday, Friday's hair, and Sunday is anything goes. Anything goes. And if you have any ideas, you want me to look into things, you want me to test stuff out, I'll do it. Just like let me know, I'll do it. So that's it. Have a good day, and until next time. I just have to apologize. I don't know if you can hear it or not. It's kind of ridiculous. Oh, great. Now the firehouse is going off. Okay.